Canva is now integrated into ChatGPT. Here's how to create posts, logos, banners, and more using Canva and ChatGPT. Start by heading over to the ChatGPT plugin store and download the Canva plugin. It's free. Now it's time to create a visual. Just describe what you want to create in ChatGPT. Let's try an Instagram template for a restaurant. You can use my prompt for reference. It's now generated stunning visuals in seconds. Perfect for social media. Now let's try creating a banner for Facebook. We're going to stick with the restaurant again. Use my prompt as reference if needed. Boom! These banners are fantastic and were made in just one click. Now let's finish it up by creating a logo. I'm going to ask for a simple logo for my restaurant. The AI wizard has done its magic again. These logos are great and you didn't have to spend tons of money to get them made. You can even edit these templates directly in Canva if needed. Once you're happy with your results, just export by clicking on Share, then Download at the top right. Are graphic designers in trouble? What do you think? Access the ultimate list of over 2,000 AI tools in my free weekly AI newsletter. Don't miss out.